Hold on to your seats, creators, because CapCut just dropped a bombshell update that's about to revolutionize your editing game. We're talking 5 jaw-dropping features in the latest CapCut 4.3.0 that'll make your edits smoother, faster, and simply mind-blowing. Whether you're craving buttery-smooth slow motion with Optical Flow or looking to slash your editing time with killer presets, CapCut's got your back. So get ready to supercharge your creativity and leave your audience stunned. This is the update you've been waiting for, and we're breaking it all down right here, right now. The first new feature is called Optical Flow support. Start by importing a clip into CapCut Timeline. Cut the part on which you want to apply the slow motion effect. Go to the Speed tab, and from here, apply any slow motion effect such as curve, or simply slow it down using basic settings. Now, here's where the magic happens. Enable the new Optical Flow feature to smooth out the motion in your slow motion clip. Play it back, and you'll notice the difference in fluidity, making your footage look more polished. Next, let's make our editing more efficient with compound clips as presets. Let's learn this by making a new text template compound clip. Add text layers, your desired animation styles, and layer arrangement on screen. Select both text layers on your timeline and group them into a compound clip. Now, if you select the compound clip, you can still edit the text in the layers. By right-clicking and selecting the Save preset, you can save it as a preset. This feature is a game changer for repeating complex edits across projects. Now, whenever you need this sequence, just drag and drop the preset onto your timeline. No need to recreate it from scratch. Moving on, a cluttered timeline can slow us down. So for this, we have the adjustable timeline track height feature. For example, you've got 2 layers here, and you want to create a difference between both, or look at the bigger audio waveforms. Click here, go to Track Height, and choose the suitable track height for your project. For audio, you can now tweak the waveform size, making it easier to see and adjust specific parts. We can do the same with audio tracks as well. These little changes make a big difference in how quickly we can edit. For those working with green screen footage, the new Cleanup Edge and Feather Edge sliders in the Chroma Key tool are lifesavers. They allow you to refine the edges around your subject, eliminating unwanted artifacts and creating a smoother blend with the background. You can check our full tutorial on how to use these. This update makes green screen work look cleaner and more professional with just a few clicks. Lastly, let's talk about the improved Smart Split tool. There are 2 features here. And with the first feature, you can now select the ending of the first clip and the starting of the second clip using this Smart Split slider. In the second feature, you can now use CapCut's Smart Split Scenes tool. This automatically puts a split in the footage where it thinks there is a transition between 2 scenes. This feature is perfect for quick trims and keeping your edits tight. And that's it! With these 5 new features in CapCut 4.3.0, our editing process just got faster, smoother, and more powerful. Now, it's time to put these tools to use and create something incredible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more. Stay tuned for our next video. And until then, take care.